We have all been there. You look at your bank account at the end of the month and realize you spent hundreds of dollars on takeout. You swore you would cook more at home, but after a long day at work, the last thing you want to do is chop vegetables and wash dishes. So, you order Uber Eats again. It is not your fault. Cooking is hard work. But what if I told you that the secret to saving money isn't willpower, it is efficiency? In 2026, you need to work smarter, not harder. I have spent years optimizing my kitchen, and today I am sharing the 5 smart gadgets that actually save me over $200 a month on food. First up, let's talk about the biggest time waster: chopping. If you hate crying over onions, you need the full-star vegetable chopper. This thing is a beast. You just place the vegetable on the blade, press down, and snap. Perfect cubes in seconds. I can prep onions, peppers, and carrots for the entire week in under 5 minutes. When prep is this fast, cooking doesn't feel like a chore anymore. Next, let's talk about throwing money in the trash. You buy family packs of meat to save money, but then it gets freezer burn and you throw it away. That is why you need the Foot Saver vacuum sealer. By removing the air, your steaks and chicken last 5 times longer in the freezer. I save about $40 a month just by buying in bulk and sealing individual portions. It is compact, easy to use, and stops your fridge from smelling weird. Now, for the lazy dinner solution, the Instant Pot Duo. This is for anyone who forgets to defrost dinner. You can take a frozen block of chicken, dump it in with some rice and salsa, press a button and walk away. 20 minutes later, you have a hot, healthy meal. It is faster than delivery and way cheaper than a burrito bowl from a restaurant. But what about taking lunch to work? If you are tired of plastic containers staining red or leaking in your bag, you need Rubbermaid Brilliance glass containers. These are 100% leak-proof. I have tested them upside down in my bag, and they never spill. Plus, because they are glass, you can microwave them without worrying about plastic chemicals. They make your fridge look organized and make you actually want to eat your leftovers. Finally, the breakfast hack. If you are spending $5 on egg bites at the coffee shop every morning, stop. Get the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It costs less than a week of breakfasts. You just add water, push a button, and go brush your teeth. It plays a little song when your eggs are done. The best part? The shells peel off perfectly every single time. Saving money doesn't mean eating boring food. It just means having the right tools to make cooking the path of least resistance. Start with just one of these gadgets and watch your takeout bill disappear. Check the link in the description for the full list of products mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.